In today's apprenticeship, we're going to make Olivia Octavius's glasses from Spider-Man into the Spider-Verse using EVA foam. Stay tuned. All right, Apprentice Squad, we're doing a Spider-Verse themed Halloween this year with me and Olivia and the kids. And Olivia is being Olivia Octavius as the doctor form. We have the rest of the costume except for the glasses. So I want to crank out a sweet pair of glasses that look just like the movie for her to be able to use for Halloween. So first thing I need to do is hop over to the computer. I'm going to quickly make up a pattern that we can use to transfer onto our foam and create her a sweet pair of glasses. I'm just referencing reference images from the movie itself to kind of figure out what octagonal shape her glasses are. It's kind of fun that she has octagon glasses because of being Doc Ock, right? The whole 8 legs thing, 8 sides to her glasses. But they're kind of rounded off, so I want to make sure that I do that in the pattern, kind of round off those octagons a little bit. And they're quite large too, so I did make them a little bit bigger than what my glasses would be as a reference. Okay, with the pattern printed out, the next thing you need to do is go ahead and get it all cut out. I split it into 3 pieces because it was hard to get it to span 2 pieces of paper with the shape that it was, and just it broke it up in weird spots. So what I did is I just split up the 2 pieces that go back behind the ear, but when you trace it onto your foam, you want to line those up and trace that onto the foam all as one piece, so that way it keeps these glasses nice and sturdy. Now, one thing you got to remember to do is there's the little blue dashed lines. That's marking a V-groove cut that you'll do on the back side of the foam. That's super important for getting this curved side right here to curve back nice and easy into the glasses section. And if you follow those exact marks, it'll get you a perfect 90-degree angle once you fold those up. All right, so now that you have it all traced onto your foam, next thing's going to be is to just cut it out. So you can do this with any foam, but I'm doing it with our 4mm What-The foam because it's so much more durable and sturdy than regular EVA foam. I can get away with using a 4mm foam to have a really decent hold and really look like it's kind of a sturdy plastic glasses. You might need to go up in size depending on what foam you're using. Don't forget to use those blue markings to mark on the back side of your glasses so that you know exactly how to do that V-groove for the earpieces that fold up and come around. Okay, with that, next thing up is just to prime and paint this thing. Give it a sweet paint job, and then we'll add some lenses. Throw a couple coats of Plastidip on, giving it about 10 to 15 minutes between each coat. I did about 2 or 3 coats on there. Then after about 15 minutes after the last Plastidip coat, you can come in with a gloss spray paint. I used Rust-Oleum's 2x coverage. I love that stuff. I did about 2 coats of that. Now the last thing we need to do is just add some lenses into this so that it looks like there's actual glass behind it, so they're actual glasses. Now to do that, super easy. You can get a nice, empty plastic container or, a pretzel tub bin, Cheeto bin, whatever you've got that's a nice clear plastic. You want to make sure you can see through it okay. And then you'll just trace on your octagons. Give yourself a little bit of a buffer to glue with. Cut that out. Then on the back side of your glasses, you can see there's a little bit of an overlap there. You'll just want to super glue that in, making sure to not get any glue on your lenses because that will eat away the plastic and make it hard to see through. Okay, so it's all painted up, it's got the lenses in it, it's looking awesome. In a moment, we're gonna show you the full reveal. But I wanted to let you guys know this costume was pretty easy to put together. We were able to buy a bunch of the things we needed just on Amazon. We found some really great pieces that work together super well. And in a moment after the reveal, I'll show you what it all looked like together. But I'm gonna link to all of those things in the description below, as well as the link to the pattern, which is available to you guys for free for these glasses too, so that you guys can recreate this costume. make it as easy as possible for you to find all the pieces. So hopefully that helps you guys out, and with that, let's jump into the reveal. Whoa, 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 wait. That's the music we usually do, but let's change it up for Spider-Verse. Well, there you have it. That's the full costume with the glasses and everything. Let me know what you guys think. If you make this yourself, please let me know. Tag me on Instagram at cosplay_apprentice. I would love to see you guys put this together and let me know how it goes. If you guys have something you'd love to see me build, comment in the comments below and let me know. And with that, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and cosplay on, my friends. See ya.